Whoa! It is Australia Day today. G'day, g'day. Aussie, 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 oi, oi, oi. We are about to go to the fireworks. That is right. Welcome to this video. This is start of the second week of weekly vlogs. Hopefully you're enjoying them, and now let's get into it. Ready for the fireworks, Gemma? Yes. What'd you get, Mum?
I got Dad a new coffee chill. 100% orange juice. Me, I've got a ginger lemon kombucha. Chocolate milk for you and a chocolate for Thomas.
Stop it.
Fall into the sky. I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. When I think of you, I wonder.
Why is it still going?
Think of me. Miss you.
Can you stop now? That's enough. Oh, alright, Mum, you start then too, that's fine. Look, the best lighting in all of this area is outside Lighting International. Oh, this battery's about to die, Gemma.
In your memory.
Guess what? Oh yeah! Get your churros, let's go! Get your churros! Let's go, let's go! Let's go! We're gonna make it! Oh, Jesus, oh God! Did I scare you or did you fall in a ghost hole? I know, but yeah! Did you enjoy it, Torch? I heard you got Tutti Frutti.
Yep, it was great.
I gotta do pineapple shaker fruit song again.
That is a thug.
Rude.
On his own out there. Dad's brave touching that with his hand. If anyone saw one of my old vlogs, you will know. The reason I don't use my hands because it is a known fact you get at least 17 diseases if you hit one of these with your hands. Go! Oh wait, not us.
No,
I pranked everyone. LOL.
Pushes me to go, then all of a sudden quickly grabs my
Well, everyone started walking because I said go, and my prank video.
Better than I ever did.
You were there.
Looking like a true survivor.
Whoa, what is happening?
Little kid.
Yeah.
I'm still standing.
Noises came from everywhere. I was like, what's happening?
The pieces of my life without you.
It's still going.
I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my God.
That was loud.
Is anyone going to tell them they ran a red light? Oh, just the wait. Hang on. They said Tom. We weren't actually called. Just Tom was. Can we come too?
Dad?
Dad, can we come too? Dad, can we come too? Do we go? They're gone. I don't know what to do. I kind of want to stick it for the meme,
Do
but
we have parents anymore?
they're all. Who are we? Oh! You did not stop running. And that is it for this video. I want to go back to maybe 2 a week. 1 is fun, but I find that if I film a lot, I then suddenly don't film anything, and I want to be filming more. So thank you for watching. The beard's staying for a bit. We're at 257 subscribers. Let's get to 260 this video. So to all my Australian viewers, I hope you had a very happy Australia Day. G'day, you beauty. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you champions soon for another video. Catch ya.